Tuberculosis or TB, caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis, is the ninth leading cause of deaths all across the world. Multi-drug resistant TB is a variant which occurs when TB-causing bacteria become resistant to two of the drugs used for tuberculosis treatment. MDR-TB with a mortality rate around 60 to 80% is one of the greatest threats to the healthcare system. In 2019, out of 5 lakh cases of MDR-TB, only around 1,86,772 were diagnosed. The problem is, currently used methods for MDR-TB detection are either slow or very expensive. Plus, in countries with inadequate health infrastructure, the facility for MDR-TB detection is not available to all the patients. All this leads to late or no diagnosis of MDR-TB, making it difficult for both the patients and the professionals.
This situation motivated our team to design a system for a better and early diagnosis of MDR-TB. We are developing a rapid diagnosis kit that can detect both TB and MDR-TB from a sample. Our mission is Code M, which stands for Cas Optimized Device for MDR-TB Detection. All it would need is extracting the DNA from the sample, amplifying the target DNA using loop-mediated isothermal amplification, searching for mutations using Cas14 and guide RNA complex with the help of single-stranded DNA reporters, and detecting the fluorescence using mobile phone microscopy. Our design kit can easily be implemented in labs with less facilities. As MDR-TB is continuously growing as a major health crisis affecting populations in India and all across the world, our kit will be destined to be applied in all TB testing labs, taking us one step closer towards eradicating TB once and for all.